Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Microsoft Word for document editing, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Word to begin your document editing journey. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the toolbar, where you'll find essential tools for editing. Adjust your view settings for a comfortable editing experience. Select the View tab. Choose Print Layout for a clear representation of your document. Next, customize your ribbon for easy access to frequently used features. Right-click on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. Add or remove commands based on your editing needs. Set your preferred default font for consistency. Go to the Home tab. Click the Font drop-down menu to choose your desired style. Consider setting your default margins for more efficient formatting. Navigate to the Layout tab. Select Margins, then choose Custom Margins to input your preferences. Utilize the Styles feature to maintain uniformity in headings and text. Highlight the text type you want to style, then choose from the Styles group. Enable the Spelling and Grammar Check feature for accurate writing. Access the File menu and select Options. Click on Proofing and ensure the relevant boxes are. Leverage the navigation pane for easier document organization. Go to the View tab and check the navigation pane option. Insert comments for collaborative editing. Highlight text, right-click, and select New Comment to provide feedback. Utilize the Track Changes feature for clear visibility on edits. Access the Review tab and click on Track Changes to activate it. Explore keyboard shortcuts to enhance your editing speed. Familiarize yourself with shortcuts like Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. Adjust your workspace settings for optimal comfort. Consider enabling the dark mode through File, then Account, and clicking on Office Theme. Save your document frequently to prevent loss of work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.